All right, check this bad boy out. 2015 Mustang drift car, magazine ready, just under 15,000 kilometers on this. The upgrades are endless. Let's check it out. So right up front, you can see these wicked upgraded headlights. You can set them to change the color from your phone, do different patterns, whatever you'd like. Has the RTR grille. Those are also lit up on the sides. And then you can see the custom badging for the GT Coyote 5.0. This does have a 5-liter engine, but it has a lot more horsepower than normal at over 500 horse, thanks to a nice spray of NOS. Take a look at that front fairing, ground effects, pushing the airflow down. This is drift ready. And then you can see, if we open up this hood, what's underneath here. So all kinds of nice upgrades here. Starting with those shocks, those are actually Ford Performance shocks. As typically you would just have an arm to bring it up. Carbon fiber up top here, nice trim. Intake, carbon fiber design, big air intake in here. Nice custom parts on the custom manifold covers, big strut bar, and even little touches of carbon fiber all over. And then look at those valve covers, saying Coyote on this 5-liter V8. All that stuff looks great. And then underneath the hood, the Mustang emblem. Fantastic. On the side, these do have these beautiful wheels right here. They look great. They also have some nice drift rubber on them. You do get another set of brand new rubber with this car. And if you're wondering what's on the side of this rubber, these are the seats, as it does have rear seat delete, but you still get the rear seats. 5.0 on the side. You can see this dyno jet performance right here with the 500 wheel horsepower, 580 to the crank, torque 521. So the car has been dynoed. Does have some nice features, blind spot detection, some kind of savvy stuff. Inside, take a look at this. Beautiful lit Mustang sill. As soon as you get in, WeatherTech mats. This is a loaded up vehicle, so it does have memory seats, power windows, power locks. In here, this was where a little tray goes, and this has been upgraded to have your nitrous controls there for you to be able to purge it. You have your heater, you have all sorts of different controls from in there. Automatic set it and forget it headlights. Still lots of touches to comfort in here. Power leather seat. And then you've got your nice red stitch steering wheel here. It does have cruise control, volume control, all that type of things. Nice carbon fiber touches on your center console, all your gauges, and then you can see the RTR badging, as well as the signed Vaughn Gitten Jr. on the dash. He is a professional drift racer that has signed this car. This car has been featured in magazines, been put on Ford's Performance website. Push button ignition inside, nice 6-speed short throw. And then that big handle there is for the set of hydraulic brakes in the back so that you can drift at will. Look into the back and you'll see that rear seat delete with the lit Coyote. This does have a whole bunch of special lit on it. Nice pin stripping on the side. Back window has the fastback on it. Carbon fiber touch right on the trunk lid here with the Coyotes laid in there. Backup camera, rear fin. And on the bottom there, you can see you've got ground effects along the whole car, rear backup sensors. And if we open this up, you'll see a couple other things here. So the trunk is full of things, more of the rear seat, some more parts for you, and 100 shot spray of NOS that is all bolted up and ready to go. And then some trophies here, show and shine trophy, best in class modern trophy for us. As we walk around here, I'll show you on the windshield. So we do have a magazine that this car is in, and you'll see from Ford Performance, it listed right there as well. Here is a picture of Vaughn Gitten Jr. As he just signed the dash for this, and there is Vaughn's professional drift car. Really, really awesome build. Super fun car, very low kilometers, very one of a kind. If you are looking for an awesome vehicle, you've got to check this one out. All right, guys, thanks for taking a look.